Hey, what's up YouTubers, and welcome back to another Toddy Walnuts nature walk. Today we're going to be going to one of my favorite places. This is called Seven Bridges, and there's a lot of people out here. It's very, very busy today. So I'm a little shy when it comes to talking in public to my phone, but we will get through this. I definitely want to show you guys this place. I did record a video here a couple of years ago, and I had different equipment back then. So hopefully this video will be a little smoother, a little better clarity. I think we will take this little walkway first to let some of these people go by. There's a little gorge down below, a little river that leads east to the Great Lake, Michigan, which we will finish up the walk by getting to at the end. Today is Sunday, and it's about 70 degrees, very low humidity. It's 1 week before school starts, so there are a lot of people out here doing like last minute hiking and vacationing. So this place is very active today. It usually is a very active place, but today especially it's very, very crowded. So let's go head back east towards the lake. This is one of my favorite places to go in the world. I love coming out here to recharge my mental battery. There's a group of people coming up here with kids. I was going to let them go by, but I might as well sneak through. Nope, I think they're going to head through over there. And they're very loud, and of course the mother's the loudest. Typical. They got a cool little chocolate lab over there.
Careful going on a trip.
So there's another viewing of the bridge we just crossed, going toward the parking lot. So if we take this path here, this heads due east, and we will cross several bridges along the way. It's a very, very beautiful place. Over in this direction, they have a kind of a picnic area with grills and picnic benches. There's a bridge down below. That's the very last bridge going up and out back up to the parking lot. We will cross that one last. Hopefully the video is not too shaky. The ground is very uneven. A lot of roots and stuff coming out of the ground. Old birch tree. I really love birch trees. There's another one. I don't know how long this video is going to be. I guess it'll be as long as it takes. I'm not going to rush through it. Here's another viewing of the gorge down below. Kind of hard to tell. It's very, very sparse down below. Kind of a heavily wooded area. Looks like they did some cleaning up, got rid of some of the timber that fell. If you look in the distance, you can see another bridge right down over there. I'll probably come back out here in the fall too when all these leaves change colors. It's very beautiful. You get the yellows and oranges. Look at the size of this tree. when I see people coming, I try to aim my camera toward the woods. There's a little chipmunk over here. Hello.
Hello.
As they put this fence up a couple of years ago already, and here comes a couple of bikers. I'll get out of their way. They put this fence up a couple of years ago because they were starting to get a little bit of erosion on the cliff over here, and they tried to prevent people from falling over. It looks really pretty. It's a nice fence. It runs along the edge over there. Comes another group of people. Some ladies carrying a dog or walking a dog. There down below you can see some of the brickwork and the stonework that they put in that sidewalk and stairway down there. Not sure if you can hear in the distance, but you can hear the rumbling of the waves of Lake Michigan. There's a little parking bench, or a little sitting bench that they dedicated a couple years ago to Lynn Howe. I did a little research about her, and she was a nurse who passed away from cancer a few years back. So she is memorialized there in form of a bench in a beautiful place. It's a perfect place to put a bench overlooking the bluff here over by Lake Michigan. It's a nice little tribute to her. Here comes a park vehicle with its lights flashing. Not sure what this is about. Alright, so we will start to head down toward the lake. These steps can get a little slick with the sand, and sometimes the humidity causes these steps to get a little slippery, and they're pretty steep. So you want to, if you ever come down here, make sure that you have extra caution going down here. I'd hate to see anybody get hurt. I'm sure you can by now hear the rumbling of the waves in the distance. Looks like the river level is a little high today. And it looks like the lake is a little windy. Quite a few waves. The landscape here is just beautiful. Hopefully the wind will not interfere with the video. I do have a little baffle on my microphone, so hopefully that will take some of the wind noise out. We'll just do a little panning over here and we'll move on because there are a lot of people here and I don't want to invade anybody's privacy while they're swimming. We'll just keep moving. Some wildflowers here. I'm not gonna lie, I really enjoy this place a little bit more when there's less people down here, but it's still a very, very beautiful place to visit. I prefer a little solitude down here when I visit. Here you can see the stairway there, the railing that we walked down. I know they started construction of this park. Here's an old stairway back in the 1930s, and prior to that this land was used by Native Americans, so where a lot of their homes and stuff were in the 1930s. This was turned into a nature area and a Boy Scout camp, and a lot of these stone stairways here are original to the 1930s. Every once in a while they'll do a little repair work on them, but for the most part it's all original. And you can see that over time there has been some erosion and cracking. We'll just go up to the top here, we'll turn around, and I'll continue on the trail. Just wanted to give you a little peek up here. There are several miles of walkways, of nature trails to walk. You could literally spend hours out here, but we're not going to do that today. Comes a group of people. See if I can sneak ahead here.
I don't know, next summer.
Yeah, sneak ahead of them. Check out the little details that they put with the little rock edge and the nicely placed stones to make a nice walkway. Here's some of the older wall, some of the original, kind of a retention wall to slow down any erosion. There's another little bridge. And of course, you guessed it from the title and the name of the park, it is 7 bridges, and there are 7 bridges. There's another one over there. And another one in the back over there. There's a little stairway that used to go to the Boy Scout camp. Little cottages up there. I'll take a little walk up that way. I could use the exercise, why not? I think it looks like it's fenced off now at the top. Maybe I won't go all the way up. There's a guy walking his dog up there. But there's a fence right along up there. And on the other side of the fence, there's a couple cottages for Boy Scout camps. Check this out. Beautiful place. This is where we were walking before, where that rail is. We were looking down, kind of in the little gully that we're in now. You can see over the years there have been a lot of timbers that fell. Some of the trees in this park are very, very old. Some of them date back a couple hundred years. There's a tree right there. It looks like it's got to be at least over 100 years. There's part of the original wall slit they built out here in the 1930s. There's a little plaque at the beginning of the park, and I'll stop and show you guys that at the end if you want to read a little bit about the park. Bridge here. You can see that this cliff has taken a lot of erosion over the years. A little bit of erosion here. This looks like it could be kind of dangerous. Somebody could slip in there pretty easily. Check out all these rocks on the river. It's absolutely beautiful. It's a little humid in here. It kind of feels like a jungle. Has a kind of a jungle smell to it. Looks like there's a guy up there taking professional photos. We'll have to sneak by him. It's got like the whole little backdrop thing, and up over here, I'll see if I can sneak past these. They're right in front of the stairway, for God's sakes. So there's some more of the hillside there. 9 times out of 10 when I come down here, I see deer, raccoons, stuff like that, but when there's so many people down here, a lot of that wildlife gets scared away. They stay away from the area. Is he taking the pictures over here? No, you're all right. I just want to sneak by, sir. Thank you. You look very pretty.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, let's see if I can make it to the top. And there's more people up here. I'll stop at the little plaque. You guys can check that out if you want to read it. There's the bridge there that we first came over, right there. One more look down into the gorge below. So here, some of the original photos. Hard to see with that glare. I'm going to start heading back to my car. I'll take a little shortcut through the woods here. I'll take you guys and show you the picnic area, and then we'll end the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the little hike. Thanks for coming along with me. I was glad to have you guys tag along. Not sure how many people watch these nature videos, but I really love these. I need these once in a while. I can smell bratwurst and corn on the grill. It smells really good. Should I go and sit? Just show up and start eating somebody's food? I'll probably cut the camera here so I don't interfere with people's privacy here. But you can see there's a nice little pavilion and they eat. There's picnic tables and grills and stuff. So thanks for coming along, guys. I hope you enjoyed the little tour of Seven Bridges Park, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.